Look at this transformation. What looks like worn-out tiles is usually just trapped soil and grout contamination. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how we professionally restore tiles back to their real finish on both older floors and brand new installations with Grout Haze. Hi, I'm Robert from Clean Australia Service. Today, I'm going to walk you through our professional tile and grout cleaning process, the same system we use on high-end commercial and residential floors across Australia. This tutorial is for anyone who wants to understand what real tile restoration looks like, whether your floor is old and tired or a brand new build with cement and grout residue left behind. Most tiles don't fail on the surface. The real issue is what's embedded in the grout lines and microscopic texture of the tile. Over time, soil, oils, bacteria, and cleaning residue build up, and the floor loses its shine and hygiene. And on new builds, grout haze and cement film can dull the tiles immediately if not removed correctly. Professional results come down to three things: the right chemistry, the right machinery, and the right technique. Let me show you what we use. First, we inspect the surface to choose the correct product because porcelain, ceramic, and natural stone all respond differently. Then, we use a professional pre-spray designed to break down oils and soil and grout. For agitation, we use grout brushes and mechanical scrubbers to lift contamination. And for extraction, we use high-pressure hot water systems with a tile spinner that flushes deep into grout and recovers the waste at the same time. Before we start, we always test a small area. This protects the tile finish, confirms the correct dilution, and ensures we're using the safest method for that specific surface. Step 1. Dry soil removal. We remove loose grit first, so we don't drag it across the tile during scrubbing. Step 2. Apply pre-spray evenly over the area, focusing on grout lines. We allow proper dwell time, so the chemistry breaks down the contamination. Step 3. Agitation. This is where grout starts to release. We scrub methodically, including edges and corners, because that's where most shortcuts happen. Step 4. High-pressure hot water extraction. The spinner flushes deep into grout, lifts soil, and extracts it immediately, leaving the floor hygienic, not just visually clean. Sometimes, after the main clean, you'll still see stubborn staining or construction residue. That's normal, and this is where professional knowledge matters. We treat remaining spots individually using targeted products, never guessing, never over-etching the tile. Then we re-agitate and rinse until the grout is fully restored. After restoration, we neutralize and rinse the floor to remove any residue. We detail all edges, wipe down the surface, and do a final inspection under good lighting. This ensures the finish is even, grout lines are clean, and through there's no chemical left behind. And here's the result. The tiles are back to their natural color, the grout lines are restored, and the whole floor looks renewed, not coated or artificially glossy, just properly clean. So that's the full professional tile and grout restoration process used by Clean Australia Service. If you're a customer who wants your floors brought back to life, or a business that wants to see how a market-leading system works, you're in the right place. Reach out anytime. We don't just clean, we restore and protect your environment to premium standards. Thanks for watching. Clean Australia Service, one call, clean it all.